Welcome back, Crammers. Question 22. The diagram shows triangle PQR. Work out the value of x. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So we can see here, we have a right angle triangle. We have an angle. We have an adjacent side and a hypotenuse. So we can use SOHCAHTOA. I can see that we have both adjacent and we have hypotenuse. So we have to look for adjacent hypotenuse, not here. Adjacent hypotenuse, not here. So that means we have to use CA. So that's cos into angle, which is 42, is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is x, over hypotenuse 9.5. We can arrange this by multiplying 9.5 on both sides, remove the denominator, 9.5. And now we can find that x is equal to 9.5 cos 42, and we close the bracket. We get 7.05, 7.05, and since we have to write to one decimal place, we simply look at the value after, which is 5, and since 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up, 5 means we round up, so we have x is equal to 7.1 centimeters. 7.1 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.